Hello, in today's video we are going to the GPT-3 language model. So, welcome back everyone. Today we're gonna explore the fascinating world of GPT-3, the state-of-the-art language model developed by OpenAI. So, you can see I have ChatGPT open up on my screen right here, and ChatGPT is a cutting-edge language model that uses deep learning algorithms to generate human-like text responses based on the input it receives. It's trained on a massive amount of data and capable of performing it in wide ranges or tasks such as text-generated translation, questions answering, and much more. So, let's dive into some of the key features and benefits of GPT-3. First, its ability to generate high-quality text that can pass as human writing and truly remarkable. It can generate coherent and contextual appropriately responses, making it ideal for various applications, including content creators, customer services, and virtual assistants. As you can see, I'm typing a prompt here, asking GPT to generate a story. And I will ask it a story like, can you make a short about a cat? And let's go. And just like that, it generated a story that sounds like it's written by a human and can be incredibly useful for writers, marketers, and anyone who needs to generate a text quickly and effectively. Another great feature of GPT-3 is its ability to learn from minimal input. It can generate text based on just a few examples of prompts, making it highly adaptable to different use cases. This makes it a powerful tool for creating writing, brainstorming ideas, and even coding assistance. Here I will be providing a simple prompt asking for coding help, and ChatGPT generates a detailed response with code snipes. It can be really time saver for developers, and we need a quickly solution on insights. Everything you need, you can ask it for coding, and it will put you the code that you need. For example, I will just put So guys, here we are. ChatGPT provided me with a code snipes to help me with coding questions. It can be reliable and you can ask it every other question do you need. I here have an example for coding, and it will code your code that you need for your coding. There are some examples for usage for ChatGPT-3, and so on and so on. Finally, GPT-3 has the potential to revolutionize many industries from content creators to customer services by automating tasks that traditionally require human interaction. This can free up human resources and enhance productivity, making it a game changer in the field of natural language processing. So, in conclusion, ChatGPT-3 is a groundbreaking language model that has the potential to transform the way we interact with everything. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope this informational video helps. Please like, share, subscribe who need it, and see you in the next one. Bye.